Mate, that is prime real estate right there.
Welcome back, guys. If you missed last week's video, as you can see, we are finally back on the road. In today's video, we're heading to the coast and we think we found the best beach spot in South America. Hit subscribe and join us for new videos every week as we attempt to drive to the end of the world.
She's already off.
Is it time?
Alright then, we have a plan. We are heading to the coast again. We found a really nice stretch of beach called Azúcar, and Chloe, an Overlander, has done the most beautiful, enchanting description of it, so we're going to go check it out, right? I can't wait to be slapped around the face with sticky, wet, salty sea air. No, I think she sold it a bit better than that. The breeze slapping between my thighs. I could be a descriptive writer. Let's go check it out, shall we? Amazing how quickly the cats adapt to being back in Ruby, right?
Didn't take long, did it? Lexi did scream a bit.
She is a screamer normally though.
She is a bit of a screamer.
Amy she knows the drill by now. Drive is just absolutely insane. Willow is trying to keep us on the road. We've just been going up for like 45 minutes and now we're just dropping down to the coast from 2,000 meters up. We're above the clouds. It just looks incredible.
We have arrived.
Come on.
Amy can't go out.
Why?
Amy needs a tracker. Look at that view, eh?
Mate, that is prime real estate right there.
Because this is where we are. Look at that.
How long can we stay here for?
4 days.
I'm
Max.
taking all 4 days, buddy. Look at that. At some point, I'm going to try and camp a little bit closer to the town. And this will be a good hideout for the weekend. That is fastly approaching.
Oh.
Oh yeah, baby. Located between the Atacama Desert and the South Pacific Ocean, you might think that this national park doesn't have much in the way of wildlife, but you'd be wrong. Naturally, the ocean is full of life and you can easily spot common birds such as pelicans and cormorants. If you're lucky, you might also see coastal otters and even whales. Whilst there's barely any rain, there's a local phenomenon called Camanchaca. This is a type of sea fog so dense that as it's drawn into the mountain, it provides sufficient moisture for cacti to survive. This means that there are 27 species of cacti that actually thrive and flower here, as well as wild foxes and guanacos. You're never going to do it. Never going to catch her. I like your heart though, Rolf. What are you doing?
Trying.
Trying to what?
Trying.
Trying to what?
Trying to vlog.
Trying to blog. If you weren't aware, since, I don't know, the day I met Willow, she's been writing blogs about her travels, and she's got blogs about volunteering in Brazil, our trips in Ruby to Scotland and France, and she's been documenting this entire trip on the same site. She is a little bit behind, bless her, but I think we can cut her a bit of slack because that's pretty good going, and she's been doing a lot of work on Ruby the past 12 months, which kind of gets in the way of writing blogs. Where can people find your blog?
Our website.
Okay, but what is that for people who don't know what our website is? Okay, I'll put it
You're not about to hear it anyway of this
here.
wind that's
Again?
No.
No.
Distracting me.
I am. I'm trying to make videos that people want to watch. I'm trying. Whilst Willow is blogging and I am trying to vlog, I am also trying to multitask, and we have got these lovely items on a fire. We've got potatoes and onions. We've got a coleslaw, and we're going to make a tuna mayo. And this is our view. Hey. It is food time, you're right. Where's the food? Hello. Hey, Squidgy. Yes. Yes, I'm going to feed you. It's coming. We've had to build this guard because certain cats, not naming any names, have been breaking into the food storage area and biting all of their wet food packets. So now we have this. Want that? Excited cats. Alright, give me a sec. It's coming. There's yours. And there's yours. Is that better? Are you guys ready to see the spoils that lay before us? It's pretty good, right, for a cheap and easy meal. Are you ready? Yeah?
Maybe.
It's coming. You need to come and grab it. No, you're taking too long. I'm going to eat it all.
You eat all that, you'll be doing well.
What we got?
Ají pebre.
I'll show it to the camera.
That.
Okay. We've got Chile's finest, cheapest box of wine. We have fire roasted potatoes, fire cooked onions, some sad looking lettuce, and some hot sauce. Willow's got a scarf.
What, but chili? I don't know what I'm doing with it, I must admit.
You're rocking it.
We're just leaving a hole here.
Enjoy.
I will. it time? Time for our afternoon walk. One cat. Oh, she's going to the toilet. Sorry, darling. How rude. There's the other one.
Come on in, Bean.
Come on, Bean. Bless her.
Come on. Good girl.
Come on, Lex. You ready? Go, Lexi. Lexi, come on.
It's kind of weird. Like, I feel like last year we camped outside in the wild loads. But I never really felt like we had many opportunities to go on hikes with the cats. We've been here, what, 3 nights? And we've pretty much gone for walks with them every single night, and it's...
Where's he gone? Oh, diggy, diggy.
Diggy, diggy, diggy. Lexi's gone behind that rock.
Lexi loves sitting here. It's like her favourite thing.
I don't know, it's nice to be able to do this properly. I'm going to be gutted when we go tomorrow, you know. Absolutely gutted. But new adventures await us.
Is that rain? I swear I felt rain. Yeah. Oh, did you?
Yeah? Can't feel it.
No,
I just had a shower.
2 in a day.
Yes. Let's see if we can find Alexi.
Spot the cat.
Amy. Lexi's barely been in rain.
There's just tiny little cat paw prints all down the beach. And they're floof.
You're gonna what?
Get the squids. Oh, gonna get you, gonna get you, gonna get you. Oh, she ran away. Oh dear.
Amy, there she is. Here comes a bee.
Here comes the other one. Oh, they're having a great time. Loving the beach, aren't you, girls? That is one excellent tan line. Have you got a tan line in those disgusting items?
I bashed my toe earlier, it was bleeding. See that nice little scab I've got going on there?
I win. You can't have another fire. Is that all you've got? Is that your fire?
Hey, I'm not done. Wait until the end. I am the king of finding wood. I mean, I carry it around with me a lot of the time.
Oh, Jesus. That's not what the internet wants. I'll push him off a cliff. Just give me a minute.
No, it's cardboard. Taking it anyway.
Amy, come show us your collar. There you are. What are you, silly? Come on then.
Homemade tacos, cauliflower and slaw. This is how we chill in Chile, right? I am genuinely really gutted to be leaving this place. It has been an absolute paradise after the garage. It really has given me Baja vibes. No one around but us. I think I've seen about 4 cars the entire weekend.
And that's the weekend.
That's the weekend, yeah. It's been...
Nobody came in our area.
Maybe it's because we still haven't had a proper shower. Unconfirmed.
Space is space.
But we're not done. We are now, what's the plan?
Heading for Santiago, but that's probably realistically about 12-hour
12,
drive.
13 hour drive, so we're going to break it up with some more.
So we're going to camp down the coast as we go.
Let's go find another gem, shall we? Spot.